Hello everyone, it is Luke Cubing, and today we have an unboxing from TheCubicle.com. So, for some context, it was recently my birthday, so using birthday money, I bought these cubes. So without further ado, let's get into the cubes. So this package is from TheCubicle, and if you ever want puzzles, you go to TheCubicle. They have great prices, and they have great lubricants, and they're just a great cube store. Let's see what's inside. So, in this box, we have some important things. So, let's get into them. So here's Cubicle, a little holidays card from Max Park. That's cool. So, in the box, we have the GAN 356XS. I have really high hopes for this to be my main, because my current main is a Moyulang GTS 3M, and it's a good cube, but it's just dying on me right now. Also, we have the Volt V2M Square 1. So, I have a Yushin Square 1, and I'm not liking it too much. It's a little too blocky for me. So, I'm going to get the Volt V2. And also, we have two budget cubes from YJ. This is the YJ Yushi V2M. This is a magnetic 6x6, and so far I haven't seen any reviews on the internet yet. So I'm super excited to unbox that because I saw new 6x6, and I want to get into 6x6 and 7x7 because I see my cool bits. So this is UFO V2M. So there's that. What's this? I don't know. I didn't order these. They sent me some Cubicle bags. That's cool. We have some lubricants. We have Angstrom Gravitas and Angstrom Dignitas. Super excited for those because cool lubricants. We have a Lubrical Black kit. No way. I got Mystic, but they sent me some Holiday DNM 37 as well. Wow. They're generous. Thank you. And they have a new business card. It's a little more glossy now. So yeah, the business card, receipt, not to show that to you. So, let's start with the UFO V2M. So, it is a budget magnetic 7x7. Yeah, feeling the size, people have said it's big. I don't really have much experience with 7x7, so let's just get into the thing. So this is very dry. Please excuse my inability to turn, but let's move this box first. So, yeah. Oh, man. I am not good at big cubes, as you can tell, but this will obviously need some lubrication, and I don't know how tensions work, but I can tell that this is pretty loose, and I don't think there's any lubrication in it, really, that I can feel, or if there is, it's very minimal. Nope, center cap just almost came off. So this is nice to have a magnetic M-slice on a big cube, so I can do H-runs a little more comfortably. I'll probably have to tighten this up and put some lubricant in it, just to make it, see, I can't really turn 7x7. Jeez. But, yeah, I'm pretty excited. This makes me a little more motivated to get into 7x7. And one step down is a 6x6. So, let's get into that. And I can tell they seem a little bit light. Let's check tensions. This is extremely loose right now. Yeah, you can definitely feel those magnets. They're there. And, geez, that is a lot of lubrication on the outside. Yeah, there's a lot in there. And this is super loose, so I probably can't give a great opinion right now. Goodness gracious. Yeah, and this lube is getting on the outside. I'm gonna probably have to wipe this off and get a review on it. And obviously tighten it, put in some lubes, and yeah. So, I'm gonna get into this ling out clock. So, here's the ling out clock. Oh my gosh, these pins are really stiff, but it is cold outside, so I'm not expecting all that much from these. Oh god. Yeah, this is not good. Maybe I'm gonna have to obviously break it in, maybe lubricate it, somehow, because I know you can. There we go, I think I got them working better. I honestly can't tell you how this thing turns, because it's not turning right now. I do not know what's wrong with this. I'm gonna have to look into that. Let's skip that. So, then again, we have these lubricants. I ordered some Mystic, but I did not order... Cat came off a little bit. But I did not order this DNM37. This Holiday DNM37. Angstrom Gravitas, Angstrom Dignitas. I'm super excited about setting things up with these because I've heard they're super good lubricants. TheCubicle uses them in their premium cubes and their Angstrom puzzles. So that's awesome. We have a Lubrical Black kit. This is a core lube. So yeah, I'm really excited to set up my cubes with these lubes, especially my GAN XS. But right now, we have the Volt V2M, which, how do I get this open? Here we go. So I'm super excited because Square One's a super fun event, and I don't like my Yushin Square One, my Yushin Magic Square One. So I got a stickerless one with a black top because it looks cool. So on the outside, it's pretty dry, and well, it's just in. Now it definitely has a resemblance of the Yushin. Let's see. Yep, turning, you can definitely feel those magnets. The slice is a little weak, and I'm not too happy about that because I generally like a stronger slice magnet. I don't know where the slice magnets are. I can probably add extras if I see the kit. As you can tell, I'm not really used to this yet. So it kind of feels like a combination of the Volt V1 and the Yushin. It has that kind of hollow feeling like the Yushin did, and this is a little tight right now. It has this, if you take a listen, and there's some spring noise, I'm gonna have to quiet that. It's pretty sandy right now, so I do look forward to setting this up and making it a pretty good puzzle, because I've heard great things about this, and yeah, it turns really good. There is a little bit of catching, but that could be just due to me not being very good at Square One. And I don't know how tight this could be. Corner cut, not really. I don't know. I'll have to play around with this, but other than that, I'm super excited for a new Square One to use. Now, for the moment, we've all been waiting for the most, GAN XS. I pretty much, even without taking it out of the box, I know that this is going to be my main, because my current main of the GTS3 is just not very good for me. I don't like it that much. But yeah, super excited. I went ahead and got it in stickerless, and this is actually my first GAN puzzle, so wow. Here's a card. Cool, it's like this. Wow, that's really unnecessary, GAN. So, taking these things out, here's an accessories box. I don't really know what the accessories, it's probably just the pamphlet and the adjustment tools. Yeah. Oh, they did include some GAN Eye center caps, in case I somehow, for some reason, get a GAN Eye. Giant instruction pamphlet, if you somehow don't, if you're getting a GameCube and somehow don't know how to solve the 3 this is how you use the settings. So, I'm gonna need that, so I can use this. Comes with a GAN bag, that's cool. Nice. So, and these, this little tensioner, and these alternate, I don't know what they call them, you would call them, but let's get into the cube itself. So, how do you open this? There we go. That's unnecessary. Wow, GAN, great job there. So, I can already see these shades are pretty cool, and everybody's been saying that there's a matte finish, and there's a matte finish on this puzzle, and I've heard people say it's like the GAN 251, and from GAN 251s I've tried, I really like that exterior finish, so it'll be really cool if it has that same style. I wouldn't be too mad. So, there's some lubricant on the outside, and tensions are pretty good for me. Yeah, there's a little bit of lube on the outside. I'm gonna really quick wipe that down. Oh man, my heart is beating hard, and I'm ready to turn this thing. Oh man. It's a little slow. Surprisingly dry, or it has a dry feeling, kind of scratchy. But yes, there is lubricant inside, and there's those magnet capsules. You can see those that you can adjust the strength, and I think they're on the middle setting right now. I'm not sure. We'll have to see about that. But so far, I'm loving this. Oh man, this is gonna be my main. I know that much. Oh, just spam algs on this. The algorithm on. So the M layers are a little slower than I'd like them to be. I don't know if it's just me transitioning from the GTS 3 where it was really super fast M layers. And if you take off the center cap, you can see the new system that they have. So yeah, this is to adjust, the blue thing is to adjust tension, and that clear thing is to adjust spring compression. So we'll have to see how that plays out. Yeah, I'll have to try out some settings with that. I'm super excited. But other than that, I am super impressed with this puzzle. And yeah, the lube is making me a little slippery on the outside. I do think these magnets are on the medium strength. It's a piece. I know you probably don't have to take out the piece to adjust the strength, but let's just... Oh wait, I just changed it. There we go, now it's on the stronger setting. Yeah, so that's really interesting. Yep, there it goes, now it's on the lighter setting. I think that's on the middle setting. Yep. Yeah, that is super exciting. You can see that nice attention to detail that GAN has with their pieces, that honeycomb design used to trap lubricant, and oh yep, there's that plastic core. GAN's using their retro plastic core, and I forgot about the weight of this cube. I just haven't felt the 3x3 in a little bit, and yeah, this is pretty light. That's crazy. But yeah, I'm still trying to grasp the magnet thing. To recap, this is my unboxing from the Cubicle. This is super cool, and I will see you all next time. Bye.